Hi, I'm here today to tell you about our C5, 8, and 9 series cabinets and how to use the auto start feature. Okay, so the auto start feature is a real great feature to get your cabinet running at the start of the day. You can get it preheated even before somebody arrives, so it's ready to go. Or if you just generally want it to turn on at the same time every day and you don't want to forget about turning it on. So from the main screen, I go to settings. Then there's an auto start button, which gets you into the settings for it. So, you know, you can set any day of the week at different times if you want, or all at the same time. In this case, I have it set for 6 o'clock if I wanted to adjust it or whatever. So we'll set it at 6 a.m. I don't want Saturday and Sunday because I don't like working on the weekends. I'm a school, so maybe we just work Monday through Friday. And so I have those set for 6 a.m. and just hit apply. And it's going to be ready to go. When I power the cabinet off at the end of the day, you're going to see that it's going to say auto start at 6 o'clock on the next day. So now it's almost 6 a.m. the following day on 7/29, and we're going to watch the auto start feature turn the cabinet on automatically.